In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new compound clip in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful technique that allows you to combine multiple video clips into a single manageable unit, offering a smoother and more organized editing workflow. Whether you're new to DaVinci Resolve or looking to refine your editing skills, this guide will walk you through the steps in a clear, easy to understand manner. First things first, make sure you have DaVinci Resolve open on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded the software, you can find it by doing a quick search online. It's one of the most powerful video editing tools out there, and remarkably, there's a robust free version available for download. Once DaVinci Resolve is up and running, you're ready to dive in. Now direct your attention to the media pool where your video clips are located. Here you'll select the two clips that you want to combine into a compound clip. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each of the clips to highlight them simultaneously. It's important to ensure that these are the clips you want to work with to avoid any unnecessary edits later on. Once both clips are selected, move your cursor over one of the highlighted clips, then right-click. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says New Compound Clip. It's nestled among other frequently used commands and can sometimes be easy to miss, so take a moment to locate it. Clicking on New Compound Clip will prompt a dialog box to appear. In this dialog box, you have the option to name your new compound clip. It's a good practice to name it something descriptive so you can easily find it later amongst your media files. After entering a name, you'll see a Create button at the bottom right of the dialog box. Click on it to finalize the creation of your compound clip. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a new compound clip in DaVinci Resolve. This is now visible in your media pool as a single clip, which you can now edit as one cohesive unit. This feature is especially handy for applying effects or transitions seamlessly across multiple clips without having to do so individually. By combining clips in this way, you'll find that your editing process can become much more streamlined, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your project. Whether you're piecing together a short film, a documentary, or any other video format, mastering compound clips in DaVinci Resolve can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. Keep practicing this technique, and before you know it, it will become a natural part of your editing repertoire.